Good morning, children, and welcome again to e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School. I myself, Anjana Dikshit from New Area Senior Wing. Children, this video is for class 6, and please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it yet. So today we'll read the poem Beauty. It is a very beautiful poem and it is very meaningful also. Before explaining the poem, let me tell you few lines about the poet of this poem, E.A. Seurat. E.A. Seurat was a poet and educator. She was born on 9th September 1926 in New Mexico. She died on 21st July 2014 at the age of 87. She wrote her first book at the age of 13. The name of the book was I Am a Pueblo Indian Girl, and which was very famous. And in this book she had explained the Pueblo community. Now children, before explaining the lesson, the poem, let me tell you the meaning of beauty. Now what is beauty? Beauty is something or anything that makes us feel happy from inside or outside. Clear? The thing which you feel beautiful may not be beautiful for others, because it is the way how you see it. So in this poem also it is discussed that beauty is of two types. How many types? Two types. One is inner beauty and other is outer beauty. Outer beauty is what? Your physical appearance. How you look when at the first sight, when you are seeing what type of face you are having, how tall you are, how fat you are. That means in this physical appearance is mentioned. But the second type of beauty, which is inner beauty, in this one's personal or one's personality is read, is seen. But the second type of beauty, that is inner beauty, is not seen, it is felt, and it is one's personal feeling. Okay, so these are the two types of beauty mentioned in the poem. Apart from this, the poet had mentioned the third type of beauty in this poem, and which is natural beauty. Natural beauty means the beauty which is self-made. That means trees, plants, field, all these are what? Natural beauty. So the poetess tries to explain all this in this poem, which is beauty. Now I'll read the poem and explain you. Okay? So where is beauty seen? It is nothing that it looks beautiful by seeing, but how people take it. Suppose some farmer is there. Farmers see the corn, the field. When crops are growing in that, they feel it very beautiful. And when any town people who has not seen the field, they may not feel it beautiful. So it is the way how person feels. It differs from person to person. Okay? Beauty is not the same for everyone. It differs. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the tree, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. That means in this, farmers, they feel when their corns or their work is done, or when their crops are mature and when it is ready to harvest, they feel it very beautiful. By saying that, they feel beautiful. Beauty is heard in the night. Wind shining, rain falling, or singing, chanting, anything in earnest. That means it is not necessary that it is seen in day, during daylight only, but it is felt. This type of beauty which is seen at night is not the physical beauty. It is the second type of beauty, which is inner beauty, and it can be felt complete silence or someone chanting some mantras or anything like that. Beauty is in yourself. That means everyone has beauty in themselves. That means here, if you do good deeds, that is also beautiful. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dream, in your work, and even in your rest. That means when you think positive, when you think always good and do good to others or do good works, that is also beautiful. You should always think good. You should always think positive. Never try to think to harm anybody. Okay, children? That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.